Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I got another great product here from Ancel. This is the Super Starter, kind of like a jump box, but it's a little bit more. This guy's actually got some smart capabilities to it. So you have an app that you can monitor your battery state of charge, your battery health. This guy's already going to be on your car, so all you're going to need to do is push a couple buttons on your phone. So that's really convenient. You're not having to find the battery jump point and make sure you got a jump box and make sure your jump box is charged. This guy is always going to stay charged as long as it's connected to your battery. So for my car, I've got a BMW 328i. This guy has the battery in the back corner of the trunk. So I'm going to be installing it back here, but it can handle the weather. It is very robust case here. It comes with a couple of nice long zip ties so you can attach this to whatever you need to attach it to, so that way it's secure. And it does come with two really nice battery clamping ends. Let's get this guy installed. This is going to be a very easy installation. We just have positive and negative. I went ahead and I got it installed here. It took literally a minute. I just loosened up my 10mm battery bolt and I was able to put this behind. It's got a nice flat bolt behind here, the other side of this, and I was able to tighten that up nice. And I did the same thing over here on the negative side. And you can see my lights are flashing. It's ready for pairing. Guys, so it just took maybe a minute to download the app and get it installed. I do have my car running now, and I can better understand what this is showing me. So this is the state of charge of our new installed supercharger. So it's charging itself up now because I just connected it. It does come fully discharged for safety reasons. And this is the supercharger, all of that information right there. So it's at 0%, but it's slowly charging up. Our voltage is coming up. It was at like 3 volts when we started, and it's just been slowly coming up. Gives you the state of charge of your battery. My voltage is pretty high. I do have a few high voltage consumers in my car, and I can hear them running right now. So that's when my voltage is high. So you know your alternator, what it's doing. Really nice tool to have. I do recommend it. If you guys want to pick one of these up, we got a link below for you. Go ahead and click on that link. It's going to take you right over, make it easy to get one of these. I do recommend it. It seems like it is going to be a very nice product to have. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day.